Hello everyone, I am Niharika and I am here to explain Chapter 8 Reach for the Top Part 1 and Part 2 by Santosh Yadav and Maria Sarpova from Class 9 English Literature Beehive. So let's start. Synopsis of Reach for the Top Part 1 and Part 2. Reach for the Top is a biographical story that tells us about the lives of two great women, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sarpova. It celebrates the achievement of these two strong ladies who achieved success despite hardships. One thing common between these two was that they defied all odds to pursue their passion and succeeded in it. Through Reach for the Top summary, student will learn how hard work and determination can help you go a long way. So this is a biographical story of two great women, Santosh Yadav and Maria Sarpova. This is a tribute to these two strong ladies who achieved target despite all of the struggle and hardship. One thing common between these two were they refused to obey all the odds of the society in order to pursue their dream and even succeeded in it. To reach for the top summary, student will understand how hard work and determination will help them achieve their target. Moreover, it also shows us that in order to achieve immense success, we require determination, training, and sacrifice as well. It shows us that the path of success is not easy, but the results are surely sweet and satisfying. Thus, this chapter serves as an inspiration for anyone looking to find some motivation to pursue their dreams and walk the path of success. It shows that in order to achieve great success, we require determination, proper training, and sacrifice in many cases. It shows that the path of success is not easy, it's not bed of roses, it's full of thorn. It depends on us how we walk through it. Chapter is an inspiration for all the people out there who are looking for any kind of motivation to pursue their dream and achieve their target. Now let's start with the summary. Summary of Reach for the Top. Reach for the Top divides into two parts where each part tells us about Santosh Yadav and Maria Sarpova respectively. First part begins with Santosh. This story was written when Santosh was the only woman in the whole world to have scaled the Mount Everest twice. It begins by telling that she was born in a society that considered girls to be a curse. We learn that Haryana is her birthplace and she defies the societal norms to own herself. As I said earlier, this story is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 will tell you about Santosh Yadav and her struggle, and part 2 will brief you about Maria Sarpova and her path of success story. The first part begins with Santosh. So this story was written when Santosh was the only woman who climbed Mount Everest twice. She belonged to a society where girls were considered to be a burden. She was born in Haryana, so she refused to obey all of the society regulation in order to pursue her dream and achieve her target. She suffered gender discrimination from an early age and then decided she would carve her own way. She went to get admission in Delhi and funded her education all by herself by working part time jobs. After that, she went to stay in a hostel in Jaipur where her life changed for her. She joined mountaineers in an expedition. There was no looking back then. She worked hard for it and took a professional course where she excelled. So she suffered gender differences from an early age. So she decided that she would pave her own way. She went to Delhi to take admission. She funded all of her education expenses by herself by working in part-time jobs. Then she went to Jaipur. She joined mountaineer course in an expedition, and this was a major turning point in her life. She worked hard and even took professional courses and excelled in it. Then in 1992, she climbed Mount Everest just at the age of 20. She became the youngest woman to do so and even saved a fellow climber by sharing her oxygen. She made India proud by creating history and was awarded the Padma Shri Award by the Government of India. So in 1992, she climbed Mount Everest for the first time at the early age of 20. She became the youngest woman in the whole world to do it. She even saved her fellow climbers by sharing her oxygen cylinder. She made India proud and created history worldwide. She was awarded Padma Shri Award as an honor by Government of India. After that, we have part second, which focuses on the famous tennis player Maria Sharapova. We learn about her journey to become the number one women's tennis player. She became a top tennis player through hard labor, rigorous training, and a lot of sacrifices. So the part second is about Maria Sharapova, how she became one of the top women tennis player. She did it so by working hard through a rigorous training and a lot of sacrifices behind it. The inside story of her life shows us that she started at an early age to become the top tennis player. She belongs to Siberia, Russia, and left her home only at the age of 9 to begin training for her dream. She had to separate from her mother at just 9 years old and move to Florida with her father. Her father worked hard to fund her training and even suffered bullying for being a foreigner. We learned about her hobbies of dancing, singing, and fashion. Finally, we learned that she believes while money does play a big part, she always aimed to become number one. So, here she started her career at a very early age. She belongs to Siberia, which is in Russia. She left her home at the early age of 9 to start her career, to start training for her dream. She had to separate from her mother at the age of 9 years and move to Florida with her father. Her father worked hard to carry to take care of all of her training expenses, and even they suffered bullying for being a foreigner, for being out of caste. Her dancing, singing, and fashion were her some of the hobbies. Finally, we learn that she believes that money plays a big part, so she always aimed to be be a number one player. So, what we can conclude from this story is that in order to achieve great success in life, we need proper guidance, motivation, focus, and hard work. Nothing comes easy unless and until we work for it. Success will come only to those who deserves it. Definitely it will be time taking, but it will be worth it. So this was all about the story Reach for the Top. Hope it helps. Thank you.